We're going to Canada, eh? With my dirty ass shoes on. The homeland of Cody Ko and Noel Miller. My favorite YouTubers, we're gonna visit them. My parents surprised us with a family... Fuck, the echo in here. Echo! You suck. Stop making videos. Anyways, yes, it's a family vacation. My parents just surprised us. Well, sort of a family vacation. It's just the three of us. My sister's not going because I'm the favorite. And yeah, now I gotta start packing for it. Oh, we finally made it. After an 11-hour car ride, itching my balls off, literally, because I came here with poison ivy. I'm half pink because of it. I got this calamine shit all over me. It helps, but not enough. And then I'm excited for tomorrow because I'll be searching for Cody Ko and Noel Miller. And I'll have to ask them some things to do besides eat poutine here because it's a lot of poutine here. We're still in Montreal and we got bagels, so that's chill. And then, yeah. Oh, wait, hold up. Is that actually him? Hey, so I was walking back to my Airbnb and I randomly encountered a wild Cody Ko. We were talking about YouTube and I told him about this video I'm making for Canada. He agreed to be in it, so what's up, Cody?
Hey, what's up? Oh, fuck.
Nice. I just have one more question for you. You're from Canada, so do you have anything that we should go to?
Cody Nation.
Perfect.
Where is the friend when I need him the most? Climb to the top where I try to get close. Counting the seconds, then I look up to you. In both hands a drink while I wait for the cue. It's a girl if you a boy on the run. No person of interest, no belt without gun. Shaking the fist to the man in the box.
Did you get that?
What is that? Small one.
It's juice.